Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing these super beautiful pineapple nails. This is especially for the summer. I'm not ready yet to start doing fall manicures, are you? I hope you like this video. If you do, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna start applying my base coat. Today I'm using First Base from Essie to make this manicure last longer. I'm still growing out my middle fingernail because I broke it a few weeks ago, so that's why I have a fake one on top. Now I'll be using Essie Licorice as a base color for my ring finger and my middle finger. Even though you can see here that it's pretty opaque, I'm gonna use 2 coats of this polish and I'm gonna paint my thumb with the same color. Then I'll be using What's Up Nails Fab Cap. This is a stamping polish, but I'm gonna use it as a base in my pinky and in my index. This is a little bit thicker than a normal polish, so you have to let it dry for a little more time. Next, for the stamping, I'll be using What's Up Nails B008. With these 2 pineapple designs, we have a bigger one and a smaller one. I'll be also using the Ice Cube Stamper from Maniology, and you can use my code TINY10 for 10% off in their products. But before I start with the stamping, I'm gonna grab a piece of Scotch tape and I'm gonna wrap it in the tip of the dotting tool. This is gonna help me to take off all the excess from the stamper. Now to start with the stamping, I'm gonna be using Fab Cap again, this yellow nail polish. And with the tool I just made, I'm just gonna take off all the excess that I'm not gonna use, and I'm gonna leave only the body of the pineapple, and I'm gonna place it in the lower half of my black nails. I love this polish because you can see how bright it is and how opaque it is over black. So normally the stamping polishes are super opaque, but lighter colors sometimes they don't transfer too well over black, but this looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna do the same thing in my thumb. Now I'm gonna be using Circolors Halo. This is a magnetic nail polish, but I'm gonna be using it as a normal polish, and you can see that it has like a golden shimmer. It's between brown and golden. So I wanted to use it to give the pineapples a more natural look. You can see that it has a shimmer going on and it looks more natural and not so yellow as it was before. Now to stamp the leaves of the pineapple, I'll be using What's Up Nails The Other Side. This is also a stamping nail polish, and I'm gonna mix it with a lighter green. This is a Circolor Cyber. I just forgot to show it on camera. So here I have the mix of these 2 greens, and I'm gonna stamp it on top of the body of the pineapple that I had in all my black nails. So you have to be quick because in this case I took too much time. My nails were already a little bit dry, so you can have a little bit of trouble transferring the image. If you do, you can still use a sticky base coat in that part. Then I'll be stamping with the Essie Licorice. This is a regular nail polish, and I'll be stamping the smaller pineapple design for my other fingers. So I'll be using this tool again to take off all the excess that I'm not gonna use, and I'm gonna do reverse stamping with this one. So here I'm using Halo from Circolors again, the same golden brown that we used before, to just fill out the body of the pineapple. And for the leaves, I'm gonna be using the green stamping polish that I showed you before. And you can use regular nail polishes for this part. It's not a big deal if you don't have stamping nail polishes. So here we have the result, and I'm gonna apply 1 coat of the Oily Bonder. This is gonna make my nails sticky again because they were already dry. So this way it's easier to transfer your reverse stamping. So here I'm transferring in both nails, and I'm gonna apply 1 coat of the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat just to avoid any smudge. This is a water-based top coat, so you can use a water-based top coat or another water-based base coat that also works for this design. And then I'll be applying 1 coat of the Essie Good To Go. This is a fast dry top coat, and it's gonna give you the shiny and smooth finish at the end in all your nails. And here's what it looks like. And last step, as always, I'm gonna apply my cuticle serum. You can apply cuticle oil too, but this have like a cream consistency, so this is like my new favorite now. And just to make sure that your cuticles are super moisturized. And here's what it looks like. I did both hands and I absolutely love the result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here are the pictures for this manicure. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!